Heads. Welcome back to MotorHub 1003, where we dive deep into the world of cars, culture, and the automotive scene. Today, we're talking about something that could have a huge impact on your dream JDM car, the import tax hikes. If you've ever dreamed of owning a sleek Nissan Skyline, an iconic Toyota Supra, or a legendary Subaru Impreza WRX, you might want to buckle up because tariffs could make these imports a whole lot more expensive. That's right, folks. The cost of getting your hands on that perfect Japanese domestic market, JDM, ride could be going through the roof. And today, we're breaking down how it could happen, why it matters, and what you need to know. Let's dive in. Now, before we go any further, let's take a quick moment to explain what JDM cars are for those of you who might not be too familiar. JDM stands for Japanese Domestic Market, which refers to cars originally manufactured for sale in Japan, but are often sought after in the EU and other countries due to their performance, unique designs, and the sheer cool factor. We're talking about cars like the Nissan Skyline GTR, Mitsubishi Lancer Evolution, and even the Honda Civic Type R, machines that have developed almost a cult following in the car community. These cars are typically rare, high-performance models that weren't originally sold in the EU market, but enthusiasts have been bringing them over from Japan through legal loopholes and importation channels. So, let's break it down. What exactly are tariffs? In simple terms, tariffs are taxes on the JDM car. The EU government charges an import duty, which increases the overall cost of the car. Now, tariffs on vehicles can vary depending on the type of car, its country of origin, and other factors. However, what we're specifically concerned about today is the potential rise in these tariffs for JDM imports. Recently, there have been growing concerns that tariffs on foreign cars, including JDM imports, could increase. The Trump administration initiated higher tariffs on certain imports, and while the Biden administration has made some adjustments, the future of these tariffs is still uncertain. This uncertainty has left car enthusiasts wondering whether prices for JDM vehicles will soar, making them even harder to afford than they already are. Here's the thing. JDM cars are already quite expensive to import. The process itself can be complicated and costly, and then you've got to factor in shipping fees, modifications to meet regulations, and any other costs that come with getting a car across the ocean and into your driveway. If tariffs were to increase on these cars, it would mean higher prices across the board. Whether you're looking to buy an iconic car like the Nissan Skyline GTR, or a slightly more affordable option, the added costs could make these vehicles unattainable for many enthusiasts. But it's not just about the price of the cars themselves. Higher tariffs could also affect the importation process, leading to delays in getting your dream ride, and potentially limiting the availability of certain models in the EU. For example, if shipping costs go up due to higher tariffs, fewer cars could be imported, and that means rarer cars become even harder to find. The market could get flooded with fewer options, and even those that do come in could be far more expensive than before. If tariffs were to increase, how much more would you really have to pay for a JDM? Massive amount. But it does add up, especially when dealing with high-end vehicles. Now, if these tariffs were raised to 25% or even more, as some have speculated, the cost would increase significantly. A car that's valued at $20,000 might see an extra $5,000 or more tacked onto the price tag. This could push some models into the $30,000 or even $40,000 range. And that's before considering shipping, taxes, and other fees associated with bringing a car into the EU. For many enthusiasts, these higher tariffs would make it even more challenging to get their hands on that dream car, especially since many JDM cars are already expensive due to their rarity and desirability. Now, if you're one of those diehard JDM fans, you might be wondering, what can I do to prepare for these potential price hikes? Well, there are a few things to consider. Act fast. If you've been on the fence about importing a JDM car, now might be the time to make the move before any tariffs are increased. Prices might go up, so pulling the trigger sooner could save you some serious cash. Look for alternative imports. While Japanese cars are the most popular, vehicles from other countries that aren't impacted by tariffs in the same way. Consider modified cars. Some cars that have already been legally modified to meet standards might be exempt from certain tariffs. This could be a way to avoid paying extra fees while still getting the car of your dreams. It's worth noting that tariffs don't just affect car imports. They impact a wide range of industries. Whether it's electronics, clothing, or even food, tariffs can raise the cost of many goods, making everyday products more expensive for consumers. So, While JDM fans are feeling the pressure from potential price hikes, it's part of a much larger economic issue that's affecting many markets worldwide. That said, we'll be keeping a close eye on any developments in trade policy and how they might affect the car world. So what do you think? Could higher tariffs kill the dream of owning a JDM Legend? It's hard to say for sure, but with the possibility of price hikes looming, it's crucial to stay informed and be prepared for whatever changes come our way. We'll continue to monitor the situation and keep you updated on any major developments in the world of imports and tariffs. Thanks for tuning in to Motor Hub 1003. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more updates and insights into the automotive world. Until next time.